Hi everybody, I just downloaded the ID Pro software off Carrie's site, AmericanKeySupply.com/downloads. Let's give this a try. These are the dumps that we're going to be using, the virgin dumps that's going to be going in the ECUs. I'd like to drop that on my desktop. Here's the ID Pro setup. Double click, extract all, next, next, finish. Get this little window here that pops up, and we're going to run IDPRO setup.exe. Here we go. We'll say install. And there she goes, automatically. Now we're going to install the drivers. At this point is where I like to hook up the ID Pro onto your USB. It's connecting. Let's say install. Hit that cancel. We'll say next. Now it's installing the drivers. Let's get rid of a couple of these files here. Just waiting for the drivers to do the thing. We'll move it over here to the corner. But we do have the ID Pro. It's hooked up. There's the icon. And there's our dumps. We're going to go back to that pretty soon. I'm using a slow computer. It's an old XP. And it works up to Windows 7 so far, no problem. And the drivers are loaded. And we should be up and running. And let's click on the icon. There's the ID Pro. And it's ready. It's already connected. I'll disconnect it. Now connect it. Okay, there it is. It's connected. So once we got it open, we want to check our files. We'll hit it there. And we want to load those files that we put on our desktop. So we're going to look for it. It was on our desktop. And those were ID Pro dumps. ID Pro dumps right there. We're going to open that. And there are your dumps. Our most popular one that gets used a lot is going to be your Toyota or Lexus 16-bit Virgin. We choose that. We open it up. We say OK. At this point, you're looking at the actual dump. This little writing here, this little writing here. This is called ASCII. And here's your hex. And if we scroll down, see that's what we were with the writing. Okay? So you always want to make sure you get the writing, and you want to double check. Okay, let's pick the IC. Common chip is going to be a 93C56. I like going to microchip memory. There's two modes. There's a 9356A and a 93C5616. We'll get to that later. But most of your ECUs are going to be 16. We'll select it. At this point, that's the size of your dump. It only goes to that far. And we can go up here and we can choose your dump. See how it automatically went right to the dump once you picked you set it up from the first time? There's your version. We're going to open it up. We're going to say OK. And this is what we're looking at. So whenever you program, you want to go back and it was successful. You want to go back and you want to read it. You want to make sure you come up with the same thing up here. Okay? ID Pro. Thank you very much.